activity 13.6 is a box and whisker plot. And this is our final graph. We saw it a while ago, but we didn't quite know how to create it yet. So now we have the math and the way to calculate all the numbers that we need to complete a box and whisker plot. So we have 3 sets of data given, and they are gas mileage by car size. So you have a compact car, a mid-sized car, and a large car. So the very first thing we would have to do is arrange them from smallest to largest. So you should pause right here and arrange your numbers from smallest to largest, and I will do the same. Okay, so I've arranged all of my values. For compact car, the smallest value is 16, the largest 34. I did put some arrows where my lower quartile would go. That would be 20, median is 25, and upper quartile is 28. For a mid-sized car, it goes from 14 to 29. Again, lower quartile is 20. Median's 24, upper quartile is 27. A large car goes from 16 to 27. Lower quartile is 19, median's 22, and your upper quartile is 24. So we're reading off these different columns and putting them in a table. These numbers over here are called your 5-number summary. And this is what we need to create a box and whisker plot. Box and whisker plots are most powerful if you compare more than one set of data. For us, that is 3 sets of data. It does not matter which of the data sets goes first. I think I'm just going to start with a compact car. So the whiskers for box and whisker plot are at 16 and 34. The box is going to start at 20. It's going to end at 28. And I'm going to create my box. And then, oops, connect there. My median is at 25. And this is for compact. On the same axis, I'm now going to graph my mid-size car, which went from 14, whisker at 14, and a whisker at 29. The box, again, starts at 20 and goes to 27. And then inside the box, I'm going to put my median at 24. This is mid-size. And then your large car was at 16 to 27. Box starts at 19 and goes to 24. And let's create our box. And then the median is at 22. And this is for a large car. Just like we did our questions and answers for the other graphs, we want to write down some observations. So if you think about different cars, I would think that gut feeling, we would think that larger cars have worse gas mileage. So they would get less miles per gallon. So one of the surprises here is that the actual worst gas mileage is for the mid-size car. Like, that's an observation I can make. I can write that down, that the mid-size car has the worst gas mileage at 14 miles per gallon out of all the cars. So the observation is that the best gas mileage is a compact car. I would expect that. I probably wouldn't expect the gas mileage of a compact and a large car, the worst gas mileage in those two categories, to be the same. I would think that a compact actually would be better, would be have better gas mileage, even like, the lowest number here, that 16. I think those two compared, and then a third one, whichever one you want to see. It's something that you observe in this graph.